Need to find your ALDI mobile phone number? It's easy. As of October 2025, the fastest way is through the Straight Talk app, available on iOS and Android. Just log in, and your number will be displayed. Alternatively, you can find it in your phone's settings. For iPhones, go to Settings, Phone, My Number. On Android, it's usually under Settings, About Phone, Status, SIM Status. These methods work whether you have a physical SIM or an eSIM. We'll guide you through both processes step by step. First, download and open the Straight Talk app from your App Store. Log in with your ALDI Mobile account credentials. Your phone number is usually displayed on the main dashboard or under the Account section. On iPhones, open the Settings app, tap Phone, and your number is listed next to My Number. On Android, the path may vary slightly by device, but typically you'll find it under Settings, About Phone, Status, SIM Status, or My Phone Number. Remember, accessing your number through Settings doesn't require an internet connection.